Variables hold values in Python. This is a valid name for a variable, a valid identifier. This is not. It cannot begin with a number. This one holds a string, and now it holds a number. num1 and num2 are 7 and 8, and now they're both 6. Again they're 7 and 8. Let's swap them, and now they are 8 and 7. Let's do some problems on variables. Area of a triangle. Write a function that takes from the user the length of the base and the height of a triangle. Make the function output the resulting area of the triangle as an integer. This function triangle multiplies base and height, halves the product, and converts it into an integer before returning the same. So if base is 3 and height is 4, area is 6. With 7 and 14, it is 49, and with 10 and 10, it's 50. Fibonacci series. Write a function that takes from the user the number of numbers to print and prints the Fibonacci series up to that length. Let's begin with A and B as 0 and 1. Count is 0. While count is less than the number of numbers we want to print, we print A and a comma, then increase count by 1 and set A to B and B to the sum of values of A and B. When we're done, we print ellipsis to indicate there's more to the series. A length of -1 prints no numbers, so does 0. 1 prints 1 number, 3 prints 3 numbers, and 8 prints 8 numbers.